day, Nick.
Before I start my day, I hit my knees and pray. I'm telling God that I'ma be out in these streets, so keep me safe.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ID, and today I got a challenge for you guys. Today I'm gonna do 100 push-ups in 2 minutes. I came up with that because I just was in the shower, you know, scrubbing WW, you know, washing my body, you hear me? But yeah, I was washing my body and I was like, yo, I need to boost something up. I need to do something. So let me go ahead and give these people 100 push-ups in 2 minutes. Let's see if I can do it, man. I don't know. Hold on. Like, I don't know. I've been kind of slacking on them push-ups. I ain't really been doing push-ups. I've been doing them dumbbell press, though. Got them swole, yeah.
Turn you into a god.
But we finna get straight to it. No more talking, man. Let's go ahead. Let's do it. Y'all coming with me. Let's go crazy. All right, y'all. Y'all see I got the timer up on the TV, and I'm gonna set the phone right here. And we finna get to it, y'all. Oh, my chest go burn. All right, hold on. I'm started. All right, here we go. Then it has started. Let's get to it. Oh, this one's hard. Oh my God. That's only bad. Bro. This is dangerous. Bro, it's only a minute left. 55 seconds. God, I can't do it. 40 seconds. And I'm at only 43. 30 seconds. 20 seconds, y'all. 20 seconds. God, 50. 5 seconds. Let's go. It's over. All right, guys. Thank you for viewing this video. As you see, I have tried to complete that challenge, and it did not work out good for me. My chest is fatigued now. I feel like I got a good pump though. What y'all think? I think I'm pretty. Got a little swole off that challenge, man. Hey, try to do something. Try to complete that challenge for me, y'all. See this on my IG. Y'all know my IG is natureboy_ID. And that's all I gotta say, guys. Thanks for viewing this video. God bless you, and we out.
Save them, it's too late. But fuck that, I'ma slang this K into the end. Ain't no love inside this shit unless it's love from all your friends. Lost some blood behind this shit.